You know what's crazy? Most people don't actually see how strong you are inside. They don't see your resilience, your intelligence, or your potential. What they see, what they judge you on, are small, subtle habits. And some of those habits, they make you look weaker than you really are. It's not fair, but it's true. The world doesn't read your heart, it reads your behavior. And if you carry the wrong signals, people will treat you as if you're fragile, even when you're not. So let's break this down. Let's talk about the habits that quietly make you look weak, even if inside you know you're anything but.
The first habit is apologizing too much. Now, saying sorry when you've actually done something wrong is powerful. It shows accountability. But when you say sorry for every little thing, like someone bumps into you, or you ask a question, or you simply exist in someone's space, it sends the wrong message. It tells people you don't believe you deserve to be here, that your presence is a problem. And once people sense that, they'll treat you like you're beneath them. Think about it. If every other sentence you speak starts with sorry, what do people hear? They don't hear humility, they hear insecurity.
So here's the fix. Replace automatic apologies with gratitude. Instead of sorry I'm late, try thanks for waiting. Instead of sorry for asking, say I appreciate your help. You shift from weakness to respect, from self-blame to self-worth. The second habit is nervous filler behavior. I'm talking about the constant foot tapping, the non-stop phone checking, the way you fiddle with your hands, your hair, your clothes, just to avoid stillness. Here's the problem. The body speaks before the mouth does. And when your body is jittery, restless, or constantly distracted, people don't see strength. They see nervous energy. They see someone who doesn't feel in control. Imagine sitting across from someone who's shaking their leg the entire time. They may be brilliant inside, but do you feel calm around them? Do you trust their presence? Probably not.
The solution? Train stillness. Stillness isn't just the absence of movement, it's power. Calm posture, steady hands, eye contact that doesn't dart around the room. That simple stillness communicates confidence without a word.
The third habit is talking yourself down. You've probably done this without thinking. Someone compliments you and you brush it off. Oh, it was nothing. Or worse, you argue against it. Nah, I didn't really do that well. You think you're being humble, but here's the truth. You're teaching people not to respect you. If you can't even accept your own worth, why should they? Strength isn't pretending to be flawless. Strength is owning what you've worked for, saying thank you when someone acknowledges you, standing by your effort, your talent, your progress, without apology, without excuses. When you dismiss compliments, you're not protecting yourself from arrogance. You're convincing others you're less than you are. And that's not humility, that's self-sabotage.
Next time someone gives you a compliment, own it.
The fourth habit is letting micro-expressions betray you. This one's sneaky because you don't even notice it, but everyone else does. You say you're fine, but your jaw is clenched. You agree with someone, but your eyes roll for half a second. You want to seem supportive, but you sigh, cross your arms, and look away. Tiny signals, but they scream louder than your words. Because humans are wired to pick up emotion before language. And if your face, your tone, or your body says weak, insecure, or resentful, that's exactly how people will read you. So what do? Awareness. Slow down. Notice the tension in your shoulders, the set of your jaw, the sound of your voice. You don't need to fake happiness. You just need to align your signals with your intent. Calm your body, and your strength shows naturally.
So let's pull this together. Looking strong has nothing to do with muscles or volume. It's not about being the loudest voice in the room or the one with the toughest face. It's about alignment, about eliminating the little habits that quietly undermine you. Over-apologizing makes you look like you don't belong. Restless body language makes you look unsteady. Dismissing compliments makes you look like you don't believe in yourself. And negative micro-expressions make people doubt your words. Individually, each habit seems small,
Together, they create an image of weakness. And the hard truth? People respond to that image before they ever get to know the real you. But here's the good news. Every one of these habits can be rewired. You don't have to fake confidence. You don't have to pretend you're perfect. You just need awareness. You just need to shift the small signals. And when you do, people won't just see you as strong, they'll feel it.
So here's my challenge for you. Out of these 4 habits, which one hit you the hardest? Do you apologize too much? Do you fidget? Do you brush off compliments? Or do your micro expressions betray you? Pick one, just one, and work on changing it this week. Because when you fix the small things, the world starts to see the strength you've had all along. If this video gave you that wake-up call moment, hit the like button, drop a comment with the habit you're working on, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Remember this, being strong inside is powerful, but showing it on the outside, that's what makes the world finally see you for who you really are.